guys, this is Cracking Kumon here with another Kumon Mathematics video, level H2. So level H, worksheet 2, A, question 1. So here we have -5, yeah, I think you know the question. So then firstly, I find all the negatives. So there are 3 negatives, so that equals a negative. So negative, and then so that removes all the brackets, so it becomes -5 times 1 times 2 equals, so -5 times 1 equals -5, -5 times 2 equals -10. So that is your answer. So here we have, for this one you do, firstly you get these two, and you remove the brackets. So you put the minus at the beginning, so put the minus here, becomes -18 times 1, 9 times 1/5 equals, and then so for this one, -18, so you put the 18 over 9, so put the 18 there, put the negative there, so you got -2 times 1/5, that equals -2/5. Because there's only 1 here, you put the 2 up there and the negative here. Okay, for this one, it's move all the brackets, that one. So 2 minuses equals a plus, so that means remove all the brackets and there's no minuses at all. So 2, 3 times 1, 3 divided by 1, 2 equals, it equals 2, 3, that, and that. So 2 times 1 equals 2, so 2 over 3 times 3 equals 9. So 2 times over 1, 2 equals 2. 9 times 2, because if it's division, you swap them around. So then it equals 2 times 2 is 4, so 4 over 9. This one, remove all the brackets, so minus, minus, and a minus equals a minus, because there are 3, and it's an odd number, so it's a minus. If it's an even number, it's a plus. So you do -5 over 8, and you could do the divide by now to make it into a times, but then you've got to switch these two around. So 10 over 3 times, and then you've got to make this an improper fraction. So 3 times 1 equals 3. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. So equals 4 over 3 equals, and then you've got to simplify it. So you put 1 there and 2 there, because 4 goes into 8 twice. And then you can put that 1, that's 5, because 2 goes into 10 5 times. And then are there any other that goes into each other that are diagonal or above each other? No, because they can't be next to each other, like that and that. They can't go next to each other. So the answer is -25 over 9. And if it asks you to change it into a mixed number, you got to do minus and then 2, because 9 times 2 equals 18, remainder 7 over 9. So So for this one, remove all the brackets. There are three negatives, so it becomes a negative. And then there's 3 over 5. So 3, 5. And if there's nothing between there, it's a times. So times 8, 15. And this part, that equals 6 over 5. Then negative 1 and 1/5 equals 6 over 5. Because you changed it to an improper fraction. But then you've got to switch them around. So it equals 5 over 6. The reason you switch them around is because there's a divided by sign there. So that means it's times now 5, 6. So then it equals 1/5, because you can simplify it. 5 goes into 5 once. 6 goes into 8. Well, that's 3/4. Consists of 2. So 5 times 4. And 4 times 1 equals 4. So negative 4 over 5 times 3 equals 15. So 4 over 15.